What's up everybody, today we're going to be installing a HEPD 80 surge protector. If your home does not have a surge protector, I highly recommend you get one. If there's a storm, utility companies working on power, these are all cases where a surge can happen that can overwhelm your equipment, which can cause thousands of dollars worth of damage. Fridges, TVs, lights, all that's susceptible to surges. And if you do get a surge protector, get one that comes with a warranty like this one. This HEPD 80 comes with a 5-year, $75,000 manufacturer warranty, so if it doesn't do its job, you know you're covered. Now this customer already had an existing surge protector provided by the builder, but the surge protector that was already installed has a very, very low KA rating, and it did not come with a warranty. So if it did not do its job, you'll be coming out of pocket, which can get very, very expensive. Now most homes actually have about 100 surges per month, and most of them happen within the actual household, so having that extra coverage definitely gives you peace of mind. These installs are typically pretty fast, no more than 20 or 30 minutes, and it does not require us to turn off power, so if you work from home, it's definitely a plus. Keep everything on. Once terminations are made and your dedicated breaker gets turned on, you'll see a little green light, which means you're protected and you're good to go.